Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, The Craving Corner. Today we are going to make a nutritious fruit and veggie smoothie. But before that, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time we post a new video. So this is our green juice or green smoothie, or however you want to name it, and whatever fruits and vegetable combinations that you want to prefer or you like, you can add it in there. The ingredients that I'm using is kale greens, spinach leaves, and some fruits that I had on hand, which is fresh cut mango, grapes, blueberries, and orange. I'm also using dates and almond because I'm not using any sugar, but if you want, you can add sugar or honey. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting everything in the blender. Like in my first batch, I probably don't have that much leaves, but I will start blending all the fruits and vegetables, and then if I think that there is less amount of kale or greens, I will add it, and then try to make it as green as possible. So let's put everything together and give it a good blend. You can add a little bit of water or orange juice, or maybe some kind of honey or liquefying agave juice, whatever you prefer. I'm going to be adding a little water just so that it smoothens really well. And there we go. I'm gonna add more kale leaves, but again, in my second batch, maybe I can try to add more so that it's like full for now and it doesn't overflow. Okay, and let's blend it. And now that you see that it's giving you a brown color because of the grapes and blueberry, so you can add a little more of kale and make it more green, or spinach. And see, that's how I add it. And then have your glasses or cups or what you have ready. You can just pour it in there. You can add extra water if you think that it's too thick. And then I'm going to add a little bit of chaat masala on the top. You can add salt, pepper, or you can just have it as is. And there you have your green smoothie, green juice is ready. You can go ahead and try it. It's so refreshing and so energetic. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye-bye.